Welcome to today's video from Elite Credit Solutions. Thank you for taking the time to review our video. If you're seeing this on YouTube, please take a few minutes to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends on social media. If you are not on YouTube, please take a minute to connect with us on social media. We are here to be a valuable source to you so that you can achieve all of your credit goals. Now, on to today's video. Apartment hunting when you have bad credit or a past eviction can be very difficult to get approved. You do have options. Credit plays a big part in whether you can rent an apartment or purchase a house. During these current economic times, it's almost easier to purchase a home rather than to rent an apartment. Maybe you are not ready to purchase a home yet. Your job isn't stable, requires you to travel, or maybe your family situation restricts that housing decision at this time in your life. However, you want to move to a new neighborhood or get a bigger, nicer, cleaner apartment in a different side of town. Maybe an apartment that is located closer to your work. You continue to search for an apartment, pay the application fees, but unfortunately are turned down. What can you do? Are you stuck living in your same apartment forever? No, you have choices, and we are going to help you with those. The apartment industry goes hand in hand with the housing market. They will choose to raise their new rental cost and alter their approval process based on the current economy and the housing market. Presently, apartment communities are very strict with who they approve. You may walk in with a 650 credit score and they know that there will be 10 people behind you that have a 700 credit score, so they turn you down for credit. Their decisions may be based on the fact that you had a previous eviction on your credit report, or maybe just specifically because your scores are too low. Maybe you don't have the greatest credit score, but you've never had a problem at a past apartment community. Either way, you are not approved for that apartment. It is unfair, but that is the reality of the apartment industry. When you get an eviction from an apartment community, they will often report this on the 3 major credit bureau consumer reports: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This can be in the form of an eviction, or maybe it's been assigned to a third-party collection agency, giving warning to those viewing the report that you had a financial obligation with a past apartment community and neglected to pay the amount due. Either way, this is viewed as a bad thing to your future apartment community, and they may choose to reject your application. This can be on your report for 7 years, past the last payment that was made on the account. The problem may be much bigger than you realize. Whether an eviction has been listed on the 3 major credit bureau consumer reports or not, it may be listed on another 12 consumer reports that are specific to apartment communities. As an example, maybe this eviction is listed on Tenant.com. Most larger apartment communities will do a background check before approving your application. This includes a review of the 3 major credit bureau consumer reports and may also include these 12 apartment-specific consumer bureau reports. Maybe you do not see a problem on the main 3 bureaus, but do not realize that it has been reported with an alternative bureau, and you will be rejected for moving in the new apartment community. Elite Credit Solutions can assist you with learning exactly how this eviction has been reported and how we can correct the problem. Any derogatory mark on a consumer report can be challenged with the bureaus using the credit laws and often be updated or deleted, causing your credit score to increase. These alternative consumer bureau reports have the same process and are dictated by the same laws. We can dispute the item with them also. The process of credit repair may take 6 to 9 months with any company and any program. For now, if your need is to move to a new community, you may need to make an alternate plan. Almost every larger community will do a background check, so you should stop applying until this situation is resolved. This will save you from multiple application fees that will be charged, even if your application has been denied. Right now, you must try to find a private owner to rent from. This is a private home or apartment that is owned by a single owner rather than a major corporation. There are often communities that appear like an apartment community, but each unit is owned by a single owner. You may also find individual houses that are being rented. The landlord sees that you have a good job, appear to be professional, so they base their decision on their perception and your discussion with them, rather than your credit profile. Even if they do a background check, they are more likely to approve you, realizing that many people have circumstances in their past that have tarnished their credit score, and they chose to give you a chance and approve the application. Please be very careful. Even though you may not be attractive to your future apartment community, you will be attractive to scammers and those that choose to take advantage of people due to your bruised credit file. They know you have to make decisions based on having bad credit that you may not ordinarily make if you had much better scores. There are scammers in the market that may try to rent a house or apartment to you that they don't even own. They get you to make an early deposit or application fee and have no intention of renting you an apartment. They get your money, block you, and go on to the next victim. Sadly, this scam is becoming very popular. Please do not pay any advance fees before physically viewing the apartment or home. Additionally, do some homework before signing a lease. Look up the address on the property appraiser's website to see who the real owner is. Maybe look on Zillow also to see if the property is listed and to get more information. Craigslist is a popular platform that many of these types of rentals are listed. This platform offers a wealth of treasures for anything you want to purchase or rent. Sadly, it also attracts people who have an agenda to run a scam or do harm to you and your family. Just be careful with any decisions you make. The industry of people with bad credit attracts good people who want to help you and bad people who want to hurt you. Do your homework. Check out everyone you want to make a transaction with. Making sound and informative decisions will protect you for the future. Elite Credit Solutions is an affordable credit repair and restoration company. We are based in Tampa, Florida. We serve the entire United States. We partner with many realtors and mortgage brokers in the industry and have helped thousands of families to get finance for their family home. We feel confident we can help you too. For more information, please call us at 813-317-6776.